In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Many people complain that you can't clean storage on Samsung devices. That's because I always clean storage of all devices I'm testing the same way. First of all, go into Play Store and then download free app Code Files by Google Developer. I tested it multiple times on multiple devices and I can assure you it works. When it's ready, launch it, hit continue in the pop-up and then hit gray switcher next to allow permission. Finally, to clean storage, tap on those three lines at the top left corner, select clean and hit clean next to junk files. Then clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!